It was a horrifying scene last Christmas Eve. A fiery crash with a suspected drunk driver left Houston police officer John Daly with severe burns.
His partner Alonzo Reed helped pull him to safety, but the long road to recovery continues. And today he was surprised with a special donation to help him along with that. Channel 2's Taisha Walker is live with more on the gift that brought the officer to tears. Taisha?
Christine, you know, it was just last year when Officer Daly was badly injured and burned when a suspected drunk driver crashed into his patrol car. Today, though, he became very emotional as he reclaimed part of his mobility thanks to the help of a couple donors. That's Houston police officer John Daly and partner Alonzo Reed in the front row, thinking they've been invited to accept an award on behalf of the city. Instead, Geico presented Officer Reed with an Exemplary Courage Award for pulling Officer Daly out of a burning car. Last Christmas Eve, the pair was heading to a call in southeast Houston when a truck driven by a suspected drunk driver crashed into their patrol car, causing it to flip and burst into flames. Half of Officer Daly's body was burned.
We would like to, at this point, recognize John and also thank him for his service by gifting him with a free vehicle gifted through Geico.
Geico gifted Daly with a 2017 Kia that was damaged in an unrelated accident, but made new again by Caliber Collision. Daly says he was in need of a car to travel to rehab.
I'm doing a lot better. I'm standing, I'm walking, I'm not in a wheelchair.
Officer Daly says he looks forward to being back on the road and eventually back to work.
What did it mean to have Alonzo sitting by your side today again?
Man, he's always there when I need him. He pulled me out of the car, and I guess he got me into another one.
Daly says he hopes the driver that hit them won't be on Houston roads very long. That driver is still not in custody. Officer Daly says as long as the car has a good stereo system, it's good by him. He says he loves his new car. He also tells us that doctors estimate it will be about 1.5 to 3 years before he can return to doing what he loves. Reporting live in the Houston area, Taisha Walker, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
We wish him a full and speedy recovery, Taisha. Thank you.